So Evie, what did you do at school today?
We did literacy.
We did literacy.
In literacy we were thinking we had to persuade people why Cyberman would be good in their houses.
Right. And why were they?
Because they could be free childminders who do your shopping for you.
So Evie, what are you going to do tomorrow?
Some more videos.
And what clubs have you got?
What's tomorrow?
You got a club tomorrow, Thursday?
No, but I haven't got brownies because I got theatre school practice
Wow, that'd be good fun.
for my show.
So, what am I going to do at the weekend? I think it's going to be a bit rainy.
Sewing lessons.
Yeah, well wait till your turn. So sewing, we got Saturday, you got busy. I don't think I'm doing anything on Saturday.
You're doing a sewing lesson.
And I'm not sure what I'm doing on Sunday. So Evie, what are you doing at the weekend?
I've got sewing lessons on Saturday, and then Saturday afternoon I got a show in my theatre school, Alice in Wonderland.
Wow, that sounds good. And what about Sunday?
I don't know what we're doing on Sunday.
Oh, I don't know.